morning to all. Welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online classes, Standard 10 Mathematics. We are discussing about second chapter numbers and sequences. So far we have completed 2.8 that exercise related to geometric series problems. So in this section we are going to talk about thinking corner and progress check questions related to geometric series. Look at the first question. A series whose terms are in geometric progression is called dash. This is the question. Listen carefully. A series whose terms are in geometric progression. You know very well sum of the expression. It means sum of the progression is called as series. You know that. So a series whose terms are in geometric progression means that type of series are called geometric series. So the answer is geometric series. Second question. When the common ratio r is equal to 1, the formula for finding sum to n terms of a geometric GP is dash. You know that r which is not equal to 1 means we have a formula that is a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. If r is equal to 1 means the formula is n a. If r is equal to 1 means the formula is n times a. Next, when r which is not equal to 1, the formula for finding sum to n terms of a GP. We have two formulas. If r which is less than 1, if r which is greater than 1. Two types of formula we have discussed. So Sn is equal to a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r which is greater than 1. If r which is less than 1 means Sn equal to a of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Here r which is less than 1. The next question. Sum to infinite number of terms of a geometric progression. You know very well the formula is S infinity equal to a divided by 1 minus r. A divided by 1 minus r. The r value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So it can be written as minus 1 less than or less than 1. I hope you all understand this. S infinity equal to a divided by 1 minus r. R value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. The next question. For what values of r does the formula for infinite GP valid? Already we discussed. So r value lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So the answer is minus 1 less than or less than 1. Then only the formula for infinite GP is valid. Okay. The next is this series 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus and so on a geometric series? This is the question. 3 plus 33 plus 333 are in geometric series. So the answer, you can check the common ratio. First you can find R1, ratio of second term and first term. Second term is 33 divided by 3. What do we get? 1 times 11 times. So the first ratio R1 equal to 11. R2, that is 333 divided by 33. If you cancel by 3 table 11 times, here 111 times. If you equate them, you know very well they are not equal. R1 which is not equal to R2. R1 which is not equal to R2. Therefore, this series is not a geometric series. One more additional information I would like to share with you. If you check the common difference for this series, they are also not equal. Therefore, this type of series are called neither geometric series nor arithmetic series. Try to keep it in your mind. The next question, the value of r such that 1 plus r square plus r cube plus and so on is equal to 3 by 4. Actually, this is the infinite terms of geometric progression because it is going on. The last term is not given. So that this is S infinity. So we know that S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Instead of this S infinity, the value is given, that is 3 by 4. You just replace their values. A equal to 1 divided by 1 minus R is equal to 3 by 4. So if you do cross multiplication, it becomes here. So 4 is equal to this one, 3 into 1 3 minus 3R. Okay. So 4 equal to 3 minus 3R. If you bring this left hand side, it becomes plus 3R, and 3, this plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 3 minus 4 gives minus 1. So that R is equal to minus 1 by 3. So the common ratio of this geometric infinite series is minus 1 by 3. Once again, we recall what we have discussed today. The first question is, a series whose terms are in geometric progression is called a geometric series. If a series whose terms are in arithmetic progression means that is called a arithmetic series. The second one, when r is equal to 1, the formula for finding sum to n terms of the geometric series is n into a, na. Okay. The next question, when r which is not equal to 1, the formula for finding sum to n terms of a GP, r greater than 1 means this formula a of r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. If r which is less than 1 means a of 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. The next one, sum to infinite number of terms of the geometric progression is S infinity equal to a divided by 1 minus r. The condition, r lies between minus 1 and plus 1, then only the formula is valid for this geometric progression. Next question, is this the series 3 plus 33 plus 333 plus and so on a geometric series? This is the question. We clearly said their common ratios are not equal, therefore this is not a geometric series. The next question, the value of r such that 1 plus r square plus r cube plus and so on infinite terms of this geometric progression, which is equal to 3 by 4. So what is the value of r? We find the value by using the formula S infinity equal to a by 1 minus r is equal to 3 by 4. So 1 divided by 1 minus r equal to 3 by 4. Value of a, it means the first terms of this geometric infinite terms of geometric progression is 1, so that I applied 1 divided by 1 minus r. So the only one unknown is r. So if you simplify them, you can find the value of r. R is equal to minus 1 by 3. So far we have completed thinking corner and progress check questions completed in this geometric series. I hope you all understand the concept thoroughly. So related questions we will ask in app test. You attend and know yourself, know what you have learnt. Okay, thank you all.